how to get auto clicker for Roblox. So here's what we want to do. We want to go to Google and just search for auto clicker. Just Google search for this. We want to go to this website, OP auto clicker. Just click on it. And then here we will just download this for Microsoft. Just click on this orange button, download, and it's going to show us this. The download will begin in 4 seconds. So after it has been downloaded here, it's going to show up like so. We can just click on it to install it or just open it up. Now what I'm going to do is going to Roblox, just load up any game, and I'll explain how this works as well. So for example, here, let's just do any game, like I said. Okay, so here's how this is going to work. So what we want to do is set an interval, which basically means how often this is going to click. So if we do it every 3 seconds, it's going to do it, well, every 3 seconds. Now the click options can be either mouse button left, right, or middle, and the click type is going to be single or double. So here, actually what we want to do is just leave it as it is, set the duration, and then we will have to pick a location. So either the current location, or we can pick a location. So just click on it and choose anywhere where you want to click. I'm going to do this. And now if I start this, every 3 seconds, it's going to automatically left click. As you can see, it readjusted my mouse. And that's how you do it. You can stop it by pressing F6. And I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.